Welcome to Know the Truth. Today we'll discuss about Indus Water Treaty. Recently, India has given ultimatum to Pakistan to modify this treaty. How it all started? 22nd of April, after the Pahalgam terrorist attack, India decided to take some stern measures. And finally, Indus Water Treaty was suspended with immediate effect. Atari checkpost was closed. SAARC visa scheme was closed. Then High Commission strength of India in Pakistan was brought down to 30. Visa service to Pakistan was also suspended. If we talk about Indus Water Treaty, this famous treaty was signed in 1960. इंडिया की तरफ से इस ट्रीटी में जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी ने साइन किया इसे और पाकिस्तान की तरफ से वहां के प्रेसिडेंट अयूब खान ने साइन किया. This treaty was mediated by World Bank. As per this treaty, Pakistan was supposed to use the water of Indus, Jhelum and Chenab, and India was supposed to use the water of Ravi, Satluj and Beas. जहां तक इंडस की बात है, ये डिसाइड हुआ कि 20% वाटर ऑफ इंडस विल बी यूज्ड बाय इंडिया एंड 80% बाय पाकिस्तान. तो अगर आप ये 80-20 का रेशियो देखो तो ये एक बहुत ही जेनरस ट्रीटी है. नाउ पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी, व्हाई ही अग्रीड टू दिस ट्रीटी? इट्स अ बिग क्वेश्चन, बट स्टिल हम समझ सकते हैं कि उन्होंने सोचा होगा कि ये पाकिस्तान के साथ रिश्ते मजबूत करने का एक तरीका होगा, पीस को एंश्योर करने का एक तरीका होगा. बट लॉजिकली दिस ट्रीटी इज स्टिल क्वेश्चन्ड बाय इंडियंस. आप अगर एशिया में देखें तो देयर आर नंबर ऑफ ट्रांसनेशनल रिवर्स, अराउंड 57, पर किसी भी कंट्री ने इतनी जेनरस ट्रीटी साइन नहीं की है. बट अगर हम इंडिया की बात करें तो इंडिया ने ना सिर्फ पाकिस्तान बल्कि बांग्लादेश के साथ भी गंगा के पानी को लेकर वाटर ट्रीटी साइन की है. Whereas if you see China, there are so many rivers which originate from China and they flow from Myanmar, Laos, Cambodia, Vietnam, but China has never signed any kind of treaty. Generous treaty तो आप भूल जाए. Any kind of treaty, water treaty with these nations. So Pakistan should, feel obliged because it's a very, very generous treaty. Because the relations between India and Pakistan are not so good. India is always troubled by Pakistan because of terrorist activities. So India has started demanding to modify the Indus Water Treaty. और ऐसा नहीं है कि ये अभी हुआ. इसके पहले भी इंडिया ने 2 बार नोटिस दे चुका है पाकिस्तान को demanding modification. The first was on January 25, 2023 और second डिमांड इन्होंने की है August 20, 2024 में. एंड ये 2 डिमांड क्लियर इंडिकेशन है कि भाई वी वांट टू रिवाइज द ट्रीटी. और अगर रिवाइज नहीं करना तो लेट अस एग्जिट फ्रॉम द ट्रीटी. एंड इंडिया की एक खास बात है कि वॉट एवर दे वांट टू डू, दे डू इट इन अ लीगल वे. So the Ministry of Jal Shakti of India has reached out to the Attorney General of India to examine ways to exit this World Bank mediated treaty in a legal way. And this is the best part of India, which should be appreciated by the world and even Pakistan also. So the process again began on 24th April. India communicated its position to Pakistan. Our Water Resource Secretary देवाश्री मुखर्जी, इन्होंने अपने पाकिस्तान काउंटर पार्ट सैयद अली मुर्तजा को इन्फॉर्म किया कि भाई we can't continue with this treaty in current realities. Okay, so let us modify the treaty, regenerate it. As per World Bank, it was decided to appoint a neutral expert. It was long back in 2015 when India was making some dams on this river. When Pakistan objected and they directly went to World Bank. तो फिर इंडिया के साथ भी बात हुई. So World Bank, what they decided to appoint a neutral expert on India's request, and concurrently they also decided court of arbitration on Pakistan's demand. Now India ने इसको ऑब्जेक्ट किया कि किसी भी ट्रीटी के वायलेशन के अप्रोच के लिए आप दो पैरेलल प्रोसेस नहीं डिसाइड कर सकते. यू हैव टू टेक ओनली वन प्रोसेस. Now, after this demand, Pakistan also reacted. How they reacted? As per Pakistan, abrogation of Indus Water Treaty will be taken as an act of war. They also decided to suspend the 1972 Shimla Agreement. Okay, go for it. Even closure of Wagah border, पहले हमने किया. हाँ, Pakistan, it has closed its airspace for Indian Airlines. So Indian Airlines are having some problem because they have to take a longer route. Okay, and obviously the charges of air tickets will increase in this way. Even the time duration will also increase. And Pakistan has also suspended trade activities. Obviously, सबसे पहले हम ही suspend करते हैं trade activities पाकिस्तान के साथ. Now, as I told you, World Bank appointed a neutral expert on India's request. And who is this expert? It's Michael Leno, the president of the International Commission on Large Dams. He has also visited the sites and given his suggestions. Although now India wants to come out of this treaty instead of modifying the treaty. So India is trying to find out the way out in a legal way. Okay, so India has invoked we can say one of the Vienna Convention under Article 62, wherein this law says that any country can suspend a treaty when there is a fundamental change in circumstances. So India is trying to use this article to exit from this treaty. Let us see how it all goes in future. And as I told you, India is analyzing its legal options because we prefer to go by law. Okay, so India is considering a range of legal options so that we can suspend this treaty. Earlier we were demanding to modify, but now we are demanding to exit from this treaty. So India अपने इन options को weigh out कर रहा है कि क्या World Bank को formal notification देना जरूरी है या otherwise according to Vienna Convention can we unilaterally come out of this treaty. So India is weighing all its options and whatever decision India will take, it will be as per international law. And that's the best part. Now here is a message for Pakistan, you know, कि जब आपके पास एक बहुत अच्छा और decent neighbor हो ना, तो you should cherish that neighbor. Okay? You should not create such a situation कि वो neighbor फिर अपनी पे उतर आए. Okay? For, you know, after signing this treaty, India ने बिल्कुल by heart इस treaty को follow किया. You know, as per this treaty, India can use 20% water. But still we are using only 93% of that 20% water. 7% हम अभी भी छोड़ दे रहे हैं उनके लिए. Okay? So now India is trying to develop infrastructure to use that water under the treaty also. Plus, after exiting the treaty, we'll do whatever we want. So what is the way out? You know, the two neighbors, they should learn to live peacefully with each other. और उसमें भी अगर एक बहुत ही decent है और दूसरा notorious, तो it creates a lot of problem. That's a big question. Why can't Pakistan's strategic developers can think about educational collaboration, scientific collaboration with India instead of वो घिसे पिटे तरीके से काम करते जा रहे? It would have been a very good option. Think about European Union. Once upon a time, Germany and France, they fought a lot. First World War, Second World War, Battle of Waterloo. But now they are a peaceful neighbors, a part of European Union. So can't Pakistan think in broader terms, think about the welfare of their population, think about education, development, science, technology? So there's an advice to Pakistan, please try to cherish your good and generous neighbor and work for your benefit. Don't go out for suicidal policies. So this is all from my side today. Thank you very much.